Welcome to Mama Maestran's kitchen. Let's cook together. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. Following are the ingredients for homemade mini vegetarian pizza. Friends, here I'm using wholemeal pita bread, and I have used ghee to grease the base as well as the top of this pita bread so that the pizza becomes crunchy or crispy when cooked. For my ingredients, I have got coriander chopped, tomato chopped, ghee, Italian seasoning, pasta sauce, seasoning salt, cheese which is already shredded. I've got onion, carrots. I will be using jalapeno, and I've got bell pepper. These are all chopped. Now I'm going to make two pizza here. One is going to be cheese and the other one is going to be spicy. So after applying the ghee to the base, I will now spread the pasta sauce on both the pizza. On both the pizza base, which is made of pita bread here. That's what I'm using. You can also use naan or use a pizza base on its own, but I decided to use this. Now I'm going to apply the pasta sauce evenly, because that is what we're going to use for the ingredients to stick on, and the rest magic will be done by the cheese itself. So here I'm going to spread cheese. I know some of you would be thinking, why am I putting the cheese first? Because I want the pizza to have the cheesy taste. And the cheese that I'm using, it is called three layer cheese. It's got 3 types of cheese already mixed in it. Mozzarella, cheddar, etc. Depends on your preference. You can use the cheese, and this is the brand that I've got. It's Kraft. For my daughter, it's going to be cheese pizza. That's what she likes. And for us, it's going to be spicy. If you don't have shredded cheese, you can always shred your own cheese at home. And for some people who don't have cheese, can also use paneer or cottage cheese, depending on what you have available at home. And now I'm going to spread shredded carrot here. Shredded carrot is optional, but I'm trying to use it because sometimes kids doesn't eat a lot of vegetables, and if you prepare this type of dish, you might like to camouflage it or hide it so that they can eat. Now I'm applying tomatoes. So after cheese, it's carrot and then tomatoes. Next, I'm applying onions. This is only for the spicy one. As for my daughter, she doesn't like it. Now I'm adding bell pepper. Depends on the spiciness that you would like. Next goes the jalapeno. This is a spicy Mexican chili, and they have got delicious taste. If you're a spice lover, you might like it. Now I'm adding coriander. Because the base has already been cooked, I mean the pita bread is already cooked, so you don't have to extra cook it. Now I'm adding the seasoning salt. If you don't have it, you can add normal salt and black pepper. So this pizza will cook very fast. Now I will be adding the Italian seasoning. This is again optional. Can you see how colorful the pizza looks right now? Now I'm going to top it up with mozzarella cheese, so that when the cheese melts, it spreads onto both the vegetables as well as the pizza base. I love the taste of mozzarella cheese, and cheese is also good for health, but not too much. And I think this is a nice idea of having your child eat healthy dishes. And you can garnish your pizza with coriander. So there, my cheese pizza is ready and the spicy pizza. Now I'm gonna bake it. This pizza will cook very fast because the base is already cooked, and now my pizza is ready. Friends, if you like this recipe, do subscribe. Thank you.